All right, everyone. Welcome to Synergy Wellness Clinic, Office of Dr. Steve Nelson. Dr. Nelson, I wanted to ask you, why did you start with Synergy Wellness Clinic?
When I was in the pharmacy school and the medical fellowship of Wisconsin, we had German professors that used to lecture to us. And they started talking about antioxidants and how to stop the root cause of disease. So when I started teaching both in medical schools, pharmacy schools, I found out that basically the drug route gives you a short-term solution. When I owned the pharmacies and owned part of two medical clinics, we'd see people come in on between 6 and 18 different drugs, getting them refilled every month, and they weren't getting better. And so I tried to figure out what's wrong with this picture. What's wrong with the picture is you're giving a chemical entity with the drug to try to fix a biochemical problem. And over time, it just doesn't work. So then I participated in a project in Germany, two different clinics. They are so far ahead of it, it's just ridiculous. I learned all that from the German people and the British people. And when I started learning it, come over to the United States, I realized then people could get better if you get to the root cause of the problem, toxicities, etc., etc. I was invited to produce work with two Nobel Prize teams, one in Wisconsin, one in Michigan State, one called the blood biopsy and one called clinical immunology and cancer and immunology research. That's when I started putting the pieces together where it started to make sense. Since then, we attracted a lot of people that were hopeless and still are, and now they're getting a lot better.
Well, thank you for that. Let me ask you a question. What do you feel you can offer people that most other traditional medical practitioners can't?
Well, I think the biggest thing is I have a lot of experience. We have 20 doctors throughout the world that work at our group. So if I run into a problem, of course I do blood on almost everybody. If I run into a problem, I could call any one of these people throughout the world, and in a matter of 48 hours, they'll give me an answer. The patterns, every toxicity has a pattern, but people need to realize this is not cookbook. Everybody's metabolism is different. And as a result of looking at all those different toxicity issues, blood, chemistries, etc., we then developed a series of programs that based on an individualistic approach. The center of the meridian on you is still your liver. And we spent a lot of time cleaning up livers.
Great. Thank you, Dr. Nelson.